Hey there, champions. This is Mrs. Gardner. And last week we read a book about addition, and this week we're going to read a book about subtraction. And the name of this book is The Action of Subtraction, and it is by Brian Cleary. Just so you know, this book is on Epic, so if you want to go back and reread it to yourself, you can just search The Action of Subtraction, and you should be able to find it. So it says subtraction, taking one number away from another, resulting in less than you started with. So remember, when we were adding, we had more than what we started with, and with subtraction, you end up with less than what you started with. Let's go to the first page. Subtraction is an action that will make your total less, whether ice cream scoops or hula hoops or inches from a dress. Whatever you are counting, it will take away a part and leave you then with not as much as you had at the start. So it looks like this little beaver guy is taking away a tree. If 7 angry bulldogs were barking at your door, a kitten could scare 3 away. Then you'd be left with 4. All right, let's count them. Over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bulldogs. A kitten came and scared 1, 2, 3 away. And now there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So 7 take away 3 is 4. And what if 13 hornets had nested in your tree? If 10 of them would just buzz off, you'd then have only 3. All right, so we've got, let's count with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hornets, and 10 of them buzzed off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that left us with 1, 2, 3 hornets. So 13 take away 10 is 3. Do you see what subtraction does? It changes the amount. So you'll wind up with fewer when you do your final count. Minus. This word right here says minus. And the symbol, this symbol means minus, means to take away some number from the whole. Like if you had 10 bowling pins and grabbed a ball to roll. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bowling pins. Let's say you knocked down 8 pins with the first ball that you threw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 10, then we knocked down 8. Then 2 would still be standing because 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 take away 8 is 2. Your second ball knocks 2 more down. You did it. You're the hero. Now all the pins are down because 2 minus 2 is 0. In this case, is means equals or totals just the same. So remember from our last book about addition, this symbol right here means equals. That sign means matching value in a problem or a game. Like if you had 3 timeouts left and somehow lost your shoe, your coach would have to call 1 and you'd be left with 2. 3 was what you started with, then you subtracted 1. That would equal 2 more left before the game was done. If Jen had 12 stuffed animals and she gave 2 to Sally, then 5 more went to Mary Kate. Here's how you do the tally. Start with 12, take 2 away. 12 minus 2 is 10. Then subtract the 5 for Mary Kate. Then that leaves 5 for Jen. Whenever we subtract things, it can make us sad or glad, depending on whatever there is less of, good or bad. If you had less ice cream, you would be sad, but if you had less homework, you'd probably be happy. Like fewer school days due to snow and less time with the dentist. Not as much discomfort since the doctor fixed your bent wrist. A smaller plate of vegetables, a shorter list of chores, less time with your homework, and not quite as many snores. See? The numbers move toward 0 with a shrinking kind of action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And all of this is possible because we have subtraction. So what is subtraction? Do you know? Awesome job. The action of subtraction. And here are some other books in this series. So I hope you enjoyed it.